Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the knockoff Coffin Lit game on your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. First you have to come to the website of the Steam and then click on the login option you are seeing on the right hand top. And if you have an account, then just simply log into your account, and if you don't have, then just simply create one. Once you created the account, click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top and click on the install Steam. Once you download and install the Steam on your PC, this is very simple and easy process. Then just simply open it, log into your account and click on the top search box and type the knockoff Coffin lid. And there are two versions. The second one is free. If you want to buy it, just click on the first version you are seeing on the top. And once you click on that, now here you just need to scroll down. You will see the add to cart option. So you can buy this game with the $12. Click on the view my cart option. Now click on the continue to payment option, and if you have PayPal, then you can simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. And guys, once you pay the amount, just click on the library option you are seeing on the top, and on the left hand side you will find the game which is the knockoff Coffin Late game. Just click on that and you are able to download and install it. This is how you can download and install the knockoff Coffin Late game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video.